Make problem solving involving the vector. Okay. So if you look over here, one particle is moving from point A with a velocity vector. Nampak velocity kau. After t seconds leaving A, the particle lipas. Allah. Lipas. Okay, the particle is on point S, OS, OATV. Find the speed. What is speed? Distance over time lah kan? How we are going to find our time? Is given over here, the velocity is going to be 3I minus with J there, right? So, the position of the particle O after 4 seconds means that we have our T already for there. Okay, so it's given there. So, planning the strategy, okay, we have OA 50, that's going to be our point A. Can? And then we have velocity over here 3, -1. 3, -1 here means that is going to be for our velocity. Dia akan ke kanan 3, ke bawah 1. Kan? That's going to be the velocity. The particle is on the right side of O if component J in the position vector is 0. So, you akan dapat dalam bentuk our particle is on the right side of O, so the component here is going to be to find our distance 3 square plus with 10 square 30 square plus with 10 square is going to be 1000 meter. Speed equals to 2 square root 10. Oh, set 10 ni. Oh, ni set. Oh. Macam mana? Dia kira distance over time. Time tadi kan 10 kan? So speed over here is gonna be our set 10. Inilah dia punya ni. Okay. Finish for our problem solving dalam buku teks. Wait. Ini yang kita nak kena buat. Yang tu ada soalan ada jawapan. Ini tak ada jawapan. Mari kita buat. Okay, number 14. What we have over here given our A. Nampak sangat nak kena cari K tu. Ki plus with 3J. This is going to be our A given our B and also our C there. Okay. Given that A minus B is parallel. Apa tu parallel, class? When we have parallel means what? Parallel -1. If perpendicular kita baru dapat -1. Jadi M1 equals to M2. We are going to find the value of our K. K kita dekat mana? Dekat A. So, what we are going to have over here actually, I dengan J tu adalah paksi X dengan paksi Y lah kan? Okay. So, what I'm going to have over here is going to be either you are going to find your coordinate also can, right? Wait. A minus B. Saya kena cari A minus B dulu. A minus B. Because this one is going to be our operation here. A minus B is parallel to C. Okay, so cari dulu A minus B. So A over here is going to be Ki plus with 3J. You are going to minus with our negative 2I plus with J. Okay, minus first. Ki minus 2i. Ki tu i lah kan. K minus 2i kan. Ha? Ni. K, awak nak buat ni dulu. Okay. Kejap Ki plus 3j negative 2i. Yang B tu bukan negative 2. Negative 2 plus J. Negative plus lah. Sorry. This one akan dapat negative J. Okay, salah. Okay. So, K plus, kita ambil yang sama dekat sini. K plus with 2. So, you're gonna get K plus 2i. Kan? 3J minus with 1J, we are gonna get our 2J. Okay. Apa yang awak dapat dekat sini? This is gonna be for A minus B. Am I right? Okay. When it say parallel here means that is gonna be equals to our vector of C, which we are going to have our equals to C. So maksudnya this one equals to C straight away lah. Okay. But is gonna be our, ada satu lagi ni, kita nak pakai K. Kita pakai apa? Another variable that we are gonna have over here. Okay. Alpha lah. Alpha C. Sebab apa? Sebab dia bagi tahu apa? M1 equals to M2, betul tak? But we didn't know that our C here is going to be times with what to get our same with M1 here. Sebab yang tadi kita ada operation A minus B, betul tak? For C here we don't have. So I need to find our alpha there lah. So what I'm going to determine over here, actually C here is going to be what? 6i plus with 4j here. Mula dah. Apa dia? Alpha. Nak letak beta boleh, nak letak gamma pun boleh. Variable. This is going to be for the variable. Ada kata nak letak beta boleh ni, beta. Alpha, beta, gamma, lambda pula. Lambda, this one. Lambda, ni lambda. This one is going to be categorized as variable je. Saya tak nak letak Z sebab dia akan kacau kita punya K nanti. A sampai Z, saya tak nak guna. I'm gonna using either alpha, beta, gamma, theta pun boleh. Theta. Okay. So if you look over here, we are going to have comparison, which is you are going to get what this one? Alpha with our 6i over here. I'm going to get 6 alpha I plus with 4 alpha j. Kan? Betul tak? So if I want to compare over here, I'm going to get what? Comparison. Sebab dia kata sama kan? So yang sama apa dekat sini? If you look carefully, K plus 2 is going to be equals to 6 alpha. Betul tak? And then 2j here going to be equals to 4 alpha j. So, awak tahu tak K apa? Tak tahu. So, I'm going to find my alpha first lah. So, 2j here equals to 4 alpha j. Boleh saya cari alpha tak? Boleh. So, alpha is going to be what? 2. 4 divided, 1 over 2. 1/2 lah. Bawa 4 pergi sebelah. Awak nak cari alpha kan? Awak nak cari alpha kan? So 4J bawa sebelah. J dengan J habis. So you dapat apa? Alpha here going to be 2J divided by 4J. JJ 1, 2. So you got your alpha here 1/2. Ha? Sebab soalan dia cari apa? K. Ha. Sabar dulu. K kita akan gantikan alpha kita. After we have our alpha is going to be 1/2. We are going to substitute dekat mana? Yes. You are going to copy back over here. We are going to get K plus 2I. Kan? We got just now is 6 alpha I. Betul tak? When you have already the value of alpha is 1/2, what you are going to do here, substitute. So 6 times with, yes. So I dengan I saya boleh selesaikan. So nampaknya you akan dapat K plus 2 equals to 6 times with 1/2. Mana dapat 1/2? Yes, alpha kita. So 6 dengan 1/2 over here is going to be 3. So 2 bring to the right side. Minus. K equals to 3 minus 2. So K value here is going to be 1. Oops. No. Boleh? Next. Find the unit vector of 2A minus C. Kalau you tak dapat K, habislah untuk nombor 2 tu. Macam mana nak cari 2A kan? Betul tak? Sebab A is gonna be our blue one here. And C is gonna be the orange one here. This is gonna be for the first one. Alamak. Allah. Tak boleh lah pula. Sorry I have to padam ni. Tak perlulah itu. Okay. Number 2. The question here is asking for us to find 2A minus with our C. So 2A just now we have what? Ki. K is going to be 1, right? So I plus with 3J only. Okay, minus C over here going to be, just now you got what? 6I plus with 4J. That's going to be for how you are going to substitute. Lepas tu buat apa? Expand. Okay, so we are going to get over here. The first one here is going to be 2I plus 6J minus with 6I minus with 4J. So 2 minus 6, you are going to get negative 4I. 6J minus 4J plus 2J. Kan? So negative. Kan? But the question is asking what? Unit vector. So how to find unit vector?
Square root 2.
So you dapat apa? Negative 4 square plus with 2 square. Set. So you're gonna get what? 16 plus with 4, 20. Cert 20 kan. So you dapat 2 cert 5 unit. So if we are going to find our unit vector, means that you have already your magnitude over here. So we are going to have over there negative 4i. Okay, negative. Habis satu masuk. Cepat, betul. Negative 4i over 2 cert 5. Right? Plus with our 2j over 2 cert 5. So yang ni boleh buat apa? Simplify. 4 and 2, 2 and 2 means that our final answer you're gonna get what? Negative 2i cert 5. Okay, I ni saya letak kat luar boleh. Macam ni. Plus with our 1 over cert 5j. That's it for our unit vector there. This one combine all together. Boleh kelas? Boleh. Okay, we go for our second one here. Yes? Oh, sekejap. Tak apa, baca soalan. Okay, a boat sails across a river with the velocity. Ni velocity, sama macam tadi ni. Negative 3i plus 2j meter per second, and the river is flowing at the velocity vector of 3i meter per second. Means that 3i dia bergerak on our x-axis to the left side kan? Okay? Right side, sorry. Dalam diagram pun dah tunjuk tu. Okay, find the resultant halaju. Paduan. Resultant velocity at the boat in terms of I and j. So just now we have our vector is negative 3i plus 2j. The velocity vector. So means that we have the help from our river 3i. So just plus lah. Means that this one halaju paduan ni resultant velocity means that you are going to have after your boat is going to be the velocity, you akan ada satu lagi daya iaitu daripada kita punya apa? Flow of the river, the velocity of the river. So dia akan lagi laju lah. That's why dipanggil di sini halaju paduan, resultant velocity. Maksudnya awak punya halaju boat tambah dengan halaju sungai tu. Sungai. So negative 3i plus 2j plus speed 3i. So you're gonna get only 2j kan? Saya tak buat. Dah. Dah. Okay, ni. Girls. This is gonna be the vector of the velocity of our boat. Boat, this one. Lepas tu you ada apa? The velocity for the river is given this one 3i. Kan? So if it's asking for us to find the resultant velocity, means that you are going to have the boat velocity, which is 3i plus with 2j. We are going to plus with the velocity of our river 3i. Oh sorry, this one negative. Okay, negative 3i dengan 3i, so finish. So you are gonna have yes, the resultant velocity only going to be 2j. That's it. Okay. Find the time needed in minutes by the boat to across the river with distance of 600 meter. Dia dah bagi distance. Kita ada apa? Velocity. So, how you are going to find the time? Find the time needed in minute. In minute. If you look there, it's given us in what? The velocity here, the unit here is what? In meter per second. So how you are going to change this one? Find the time needed in minutes by the boat to across the river with distance of 600. So DST lah kan? DST. Speed equals to distance times time. So means that you are going to do what first over here? Distance over here 600 meter. What divided by 2? Because we are going to find our time. Kan? So to get our find the time over here. So time is going to be over here. Speed kita dah ada kan? 2J. So speed is going to be 2 over our distance is 600. Wait. Saya salah DST ni DST Alamak. Sorry. So distance is 600 over our speed here is 2J. Okay, betul. So this is going to be for the time. Salah yang tu habislah. So it's going to be 300 apa? 300 second. But the question is asking for the minute. Nak buat apa? Divide by 60. Why divide by 60? Because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So to find our answer in minute, so we divide. So 6 and 0, 6 and 30. So you're going to get 50. 50 minute kan? 5. Sorry. 5 minute. Kan? Ya ke? Yalah. 1 minute 60 seconds. 60 minute equals to 300 seconds. 5 minute. Boleh? Boleh kelas? Salah rumus tadi. DST je. Okay, last question. Boleh. Weather. Okay. Read first. Okay, we have particle A move from point P with a constant velocity of 2I minus J. While particle B move from point Q with a constant velocity of 3I minus 2J. Okay. Find the time in second of particle A and B meets. Wait, okay. When it say over here that the particle A dengan particle B akan bertemu, what does it mean? Means that you are given over there the constant velocity. If the initial position vector A of an object move with a constant velocity, then the position of the object after time t is given A plus with TV. Okay. Okay, done for B. Dah. Okay, there tip penting tu boleh guna juga. Apa? Sekejap Particle A move point P with a constant velocity. Okay. 2I means that dia akan naik minus J. 2I minus J, dia akan turun ke bawah. Would particle B move from point Q with a velocity of 3I plus... Okay. So the point given there, what we are going to do first is going to be... this one actually, you are going to have point P first. Point P, what you are going to get is going to be negative 4I and also our 5J, isn't it? Point P. Kan? Negative 4, 5. Dia bagi pula the velocity over here going to be 2I minus J. So, we are going to plus. Why plus? Velocity kan macam tadi kita punya sungai dengan boat tadi kan? So, we are going to have our 2I minus J over here. So we can find the particle A over here. See, particle A, this one for particle A. We are going to have negative 4I plus with 2I. You're going to get negative 2I. 5J minus with J. You're going to get plus 4J. Boleh? Boleh? Okay. That's for our particle A. Particle B, it say over here, you are going to get negative 8, 9 for point B, point Q. B pula. Betul lah, point Q. Okay, so I'm going to have over here negative 8I plus with 9J. Boleh? Okay, velocity juga. Okay, the velocity over here is going to be 3I minus 2J. So you're going to get over here plus 3I minus 2J. So we are going to find our particle B here, negative 8 dengan 3I, you akan dapat apa? Negative 5I plus with 9J minus 2J, 7J. Okay, kita ada dekat sini 5I plus 2J. Okay, when it say find the time T in second of particle A meet particle B. Particle A and particle B meet. Means that they are going to be our T. T is going to be where? Alamak. Okay, if the initial position vector A, TV of an object which moves the constant velocity V, the position of the object after time T is given. Girls. So maksudnya A akan sama dengan B when it have over here with the constant velocity. Ni. T ada dekat sini. So constant velocity over here is going to be T ada dekat 2I dengan minus J kan? Betul tak? Ni dekat sini. Sorry. Dia tak boleh ni. Dia tak boleh tambah sini. Girls, sorry. Tak boleh. Ni sebab apa? Sebab ni dia ada T dekat sini. Ni. TV. Sebab dia kata dekat sini, if the initial position vector A, which is we have negative 4I dengan 5J there, okay, plus with T, because we have over here constant velocity, the position of the object after time T. Maksudnya awak kena kena kembang lah ni dia punya ni. Boleh. 2i. Okay. So maksudnya dia akan jadi persamaan, girls. 2t. Okay. So kalau yang ni nak buat macam mana? Kita tak boleh selesai macam tadi. So means I'm gonna get this one is 2i minus jt. Sekejap 2i minus j. This is going to be for our t. Minus with 4i plus with 5j. This one, this one pula akan dapat 3i minus 2j t minus 8i plus with 9j. Kan? Sama je sebenarnya tu. Kan? So what we have over here? It say that both particle going to be what? Meet. Maksudnya sama dengan A equals to B. So you're gonna get over here both of the particle going to be meet. So salin balik 2i minus j t minus with 4i plus with 5j equals to copy balik 3i plus with 2j t minus with 8i plus with 9j. Kan? Apa dia? A plus with TV. TV means that is gonna be the velocity. Velocity just now is 2ij dengan 3ij kan? Velocity. So dia kata bila dia ni look at this one. If the initial position of vector A kan of an object which move with constant velocity v, betul? Then the position. So position is going to be what? Our R lah. That's the position. Position here. Position is going to be our R. Our vector A. And then is given over here the velocity v. T after t time lah. This one. So if you have at our A just now, mana point P? Point P here is going to be the initial vector. Initial position vector A. That's why I put over here negative 4i plus 5j. Mana dapat? Ni point P. Point P. Kan? Plus T. V here is going to be our constant velocity, betul tak? So you are going to get 2i minus j. Ada orang kata, cikgu, kembangkan. Yes, kita akan kembangkan sekejap. Sebelum saya kembangkan, saya buat dalam bentuk ni dulu. Ni. In the form of A plus with TV here. So there are going to be over there the constant velocity. We are going to times with our time T. Boleh? Tadi saya tak boleh buat macam tu sebab we are gonna have our T. Dia punya masa untuk nak bertemu tu. Okay. So after that, now nak buat apa? Saya kembangkan. 2i T plus minus JT kan? Yes. Minus 4i plus 5j equals to 3i t plus 2j t minus 8i plus 9j. Cuba tengok dekat sana. Apa yang boleh kita selesaikan dulu? You can have our same JNT kan dekat sana. Tak nampak? Tak nampak lah, hai kesiannya. Like terms. Okay, ni. 2IT dengan 3IT sama kan? So means that mana boleh 5IT? That one on the right side, that one on the left side. Terpulang lah you nak bawa pergi sana, nak bawa pergi sini. Mana? Mana boleh 3 over? Kalau you masuk sebelah kanan, dia akan di 1IT. Kalau you pergi sebelah kiri, negative 1IT. It's up to you. Nak pergi yang mana? Okay, so means that we bring to the right side. So, I'm gonna get IT saja. Kan? Faham tak? Okay. Then, you have the second one. Apa dia? JT. This one negative JT. Yang ni 2JT. Okay, you bawa pergi sebelah kanan. Okay, no problem. So, we bring to the right side. You kena dapat apa? Yelah. Dapat berapa? J3. 3JT kan? Faham tak? Kan negatif 1. Bawa sebelah kanan akan tambah. So 2 tambah 1 3. Pandai. Next. Tak habis lagi ke? Ni. Okay, negatif 4i.
Negatif 4, negatif 8. Negatif 4. Negatif 4i.
Tetap kau berdirian. Nak duduk sebelah kiri ke nak duduk sebelah kanan?
Kanan.
Nak duduk sebelah kanan?
Negatif 4i.
Saya rasa baik bawa pergi sebelah kiri. Sebab dia akan jadi positif. Kan? So this one I bring to the left side. Negatif akan jadi positif. So you're gonna get 4i. Faham? Last but not least, we are gonna get 5j with our 9j. You akan dapat apa? Saya bawa pergi sebelah kiri lah. Sebab lagi saya nak dapatkan simplify dia. 9j, negative 9j. Plus with 5j, negative 4j. Kan? Betul? Okay. Kita nak cari apa? You nampak tak sini T? Apa saya boleh buat? Factorize. Faham tak? So you're gonna get this one. T bawa keluar kat luar. Dalam ni akan jadi apa? I plus with 3j. That one is gonna be times kan? Sebelah sana ada dapat apa tadi? 4i minus 4j kan? So, apa nak buat? You nak cari T. Mana boleh mati? Kau bawa lah pergi sebelah, dia akan bahagilah. So T here going to be what? 4i minus 4j over I plus with 3j. Itulah T dia. Kan? Find the time in T second. Ya, betul. Kejap. Dia tak buat macam tu loh. Dia ambil 5 minus. Kejap. 2T I O. Okay. Kejap. Sorry. Dia ambil I dengan J lah. Dia buat I J. La ilaha illallah. Kenapa aku kembangkan berbeza dengan dia? Kejap. Okey, ambil balik. Kejap. Negative 4. Okey. Benda sama. Okey. Dia ambil yang ni, girls. Dia ambil yang ni. Ambil yang ni. Okey. Saya buat sebelah sini Okey. Dia akan ambil apa? I dengan I. Maksudnya dekat sini 2I dengan 4I. So you akan dapat dekat sini 2I dengan 4I means that is gonna be 2t minus 4. 2t minus 4. Sebab dia satukan I. Ni dengan ni. Nampak tak? Dia nak samakan I. Dia tak ambil T tu. Okey. Lepas tu dia ambil apa satu lagi? Plus J pula. Mana J? J dekat sini 5J dengan 5J J bawa keluar. So you akan dapat dekat sini 5 minus T 5 minus T dengan J pula. Kan? Yang ni pun sama. We are going to get, dia ambil I dengan T. Sebab yang ni nampak tak menyelesaikan. So you akan dapat this one equals to 3T minus 8I plus you akan dapat 9 plus with 2t. 9 plus with 2 add 90 pula. 9 plus with 2t. Mana? 9j dengan 2j. 9 plus 2j kan? 2t kan? Kejap. Negative 8i plus 9j. Oh, 9 lah. 9 minus 2j. Betul. Aku dah salah dekat sini kelas. Ni, nampak tak saya salah apa ni? Salin. Tu minus kan? Dia saya buat apa? Plus. Nampak tak? Minus. Sorry. 9 minus 2j. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2t. Sorry. 9 minus 2t j. Okay. So, baru dia selesaikan dekat sini. Nak cari apa? T. Kalau tengok dekat sana, dia ambil yang mana? Ikutlah. Kalau awak nak ambil I, samakan dengan I ni, girls. Ni dengan ni. Kalau you nak ambil J, samakan dia dua ni. Okay, nak J. Tak ada masalah. Okay. So, J you akan ambil dekat sini. 5 minus T equals to 9 minus 2T. 2T? Yalah. So left right. So dapat dekat sini negative 2 bawa sebelah, so akan dapat negative negative t plus 2t. This one 9 minus with 5. So this one dah akan dapat t equals to 4. Itulah dapat jawapan dia. Ya Allah.
4 second.
Kan? 4 second. Alamak. Yang tadi tu mengelirukan, minta maaf. Okay? Find the meeting point. So, TU 4 second kan? So, just substitute. Substitute dekat mana? Ambil baliklah. Antara A ataupun B. Macam mana? Just substitute the value of T lah. With apa? With 4. Kan? So 2 times with that one is gonna be for our negative 4i plus 5j. Substitute lah. Partikel A dapat berapa? Kalau partikel A T equals to 4. Kalau saya substitute dekat sana, saya guna partikel A Partikel A negative 4i plus 5j plus 2 times with 4 sorry. Dia akan dapat apa? 4i, this one is 8i. Ni dululah, kembangkan dulu. Okay, sorry. Negative 4i plus 5j. This one, dah habis masa, saya tahu, sorry. 4 times 2, 8i. 4 times with negative j here, negative 4j kan? So, simplify. Negative 4i dengan 8i, you akan dapat apa? 4i. 5j minus 4j minus j. Plus j. This is gonna be our what? Meeting point. If you are substitute into A, if you substitute into B, also you are going to get the same. This is going to be the first answer. This is going to be your second answer. Nampak tak bila dapat yang ni tadi? Macam pelik je jawapan dia kan?
Macam pelik je.
Habis. Tahniah.